Eat these 5 foods in December to keep your gut happy and your energy steady for all the upcoming festivities. I'm going to share them with you in just a minute, along with 6 herbs that will support immunity, gut health, circulation, and a calm, clear mind. And hey there, if you're new here, I'm Kimberly Kubicke, an Ayurvedic practitioner at Indra Holistic Health. I help folks improve digestion naturally so they can feel like themselves again. Now, December is part magic and part mayhem. There's the long nights, the quiet mornings, the slow sun, mixed with sugar, travel, late nights, family dynamics, all that good stuff. So today I'll walk you through what happens to digestion this month, what to eat, what to avoid, and my favorite winter herbs to keep your gut, mood, and energy merry and bright. Now, December is a deeply Vata month, as we say in Ayurveda. Basically, it's cold and dark and dry, and it's been that way for a while, so we're really steeped in it. Your body is trying to hibernate and hydrate while your schedule is doing the exact opposite, keeping you running from one thing to another. And so that's when digestion can go haywire. You might notice more gas and bloating, especially on travel days, heartburn or sluggish digestion from late night meals or overeating, or maybe loose stools from anxiety, rushing, or too much caffeine. Maybe your energy crashes around 3 p.m., or you're waking up tired even after good sleep. Your hunger and mind might feel all over the place. This is what happens when cold weather mixes with disrupted routines, irregular meals, overstimulation, and not enough rest. Fortunately, what you eat and how you eat can make a big difference. In winter, digestion is naturally stronger, but the busyness of December can really test that strength. So here are the foods to favor in December. Number 1 is blood building foods: beets, red cabbage, cranberries, raisins, molasses, moderate amounts of red meat if you eat it. These nourish the blood, keep you warm, support circulation, and stabilize energy. Number 2, soups, broths, and stews. This is the season for well-cooked, warm, grounding meals. Think borscht, beef barley soup, veggie broth, lentil stews. Eat the heavier meals at midday so your gut has time to digest them. Number 3, good quality fats: ghee, coconut oil, nuts, seeds. All of these help buffer dryness and insulate your body from the cold. Number 4, warm milk if you digest it well. Spiced warm milk is grounding and calming and especially soothing before bed to promote deep sleep. Number 5, well-cooked greens like collards, chard, kale, cabbage. Cook these into soups or stews. These greens balance the heaviness as meals get richer. A few winter herbal allies include garlic, which supports immunity and warms circulation; black pepper stokes digestion and reduces mucus, and it's great because you can find it anywhere when you travel. Ginger is good for immunity, digestion, and circulation. Bay leaf helps digest heavier foods, so perfect to throw in your soups or stews. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is great for respiratory health, helps to reduce stress and manage travel fatigue. Nussia oil keeps your nasal passages lubricated in the cold, dry weather and supports a calm nervous system. Some things you want to try to limit are second helpings when you're not hungry. Cold foods and drinks, these will weigh you down. Beer and cold cocktails, opt for red wine instead if you drink. Leftovers straight from the fridge, make sure you warm them up. Grazing for hours, this really weakens digestion. Late dinners, this will also weigh you down and can potentially mess with your sleep. So I want you to enjoy December. It's not a time for rigid rules, but these gentle guidelines can help you to feel fresh and festive. Do the best you can with them and know that I've got the perfect reset waiting for you in January with my 7-day soup fast. We'll clear out the heaviness of December and you'll meet the new year feeling fresh and energized and grounded and focused. You can learn more about the soup fast and get the full guide for Ayurvedic eating in December on my blog, which is linked right below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and follow for more easy tips to help you feel your best.